Alright, boys, so we're going to do some more back testing. I was kind of just running through some days to try to get some trades in on this session, and then I figured I'd probably just start recording just for the sake of these back testing videos. They normally do pretty good. I'm sure it helps a lot of people. Um, so yeah, we'll just hop right into it. And I pretty much started this as soon as a trade that I liked looked pretty good. So it's a resweep, 30-second inverse to data lows. It's kind of asking for a lot, but honestly, I've seen this play out many times, so we'll give it a shot. Break even would probably be this internal low right here. Unless we reverse and get stopped out. Okay, this PA is brutal, man. Alright, so we might be a little bullish. We have this 1 hour gap above as well. I didn't even see this. We had a 4 hour too. I'm going to be hands off until, see if we can hit that 4 hour gap. Yeah, we do. Alright. From this point, let's see if we just pump or, yep, we just pump. Inside of the 1 hour gap now. There's another 1 hour gap above us. Again, guys, just try to, simplify things as much as you can. In this case, I mean, we're just showing extreme bullishness. I'm going to look for a continuation if I can get one. If not, then I'm just hands off, Alright, we got a 15-minute gap form here. 10 a.m. Tap into that. Maybe we can get something. Yeah, I like this 30-second for a nice little continuation. Doesn't look too bad. Should probably target the recent high. Try this. Break even, not really. Nice. Alright, and then again, the simple continuation trade, right, when we're showing signs like this candle. 100-point 15-minute candle. We're probably going to end up just keep ripping up. There's not much else to really base your whole session around. You want to look where are we delivering from? Are we inversing bullish gaps looking to go up? Are we doing vice versa, going down? And then you just align, you draw on liquidity, you find an entry, and that's it. Don't overcomplicate it. Alright, next day, we got this 4 hour gap that we are tapping into right now. This intermediate low below us. I'd want to see us respect this 4 hour gap, to be honest with you. I want to play 930. Maybe we can get like an open low to something. Boom, boom. Yeah, somewhat. Wow, forming a lot of low resistance liquidity right here. Nothing really I'm seeing though. Like there wasn't really anything in this leg for me to take. What do we got for gaps? Targets above are a little bit tough again. I mean, we got this 30-minute we're kind of approaching. Let's see. Oh, this is good. This isn't bad. Oh wait, I'm confusing myself? Yeah. Alright, so hold on. So we end up sweeping this recent high out, right? This was that intermediate high inside of the 1 hour gap. I originally said that I wanted to see us sweep something low. Like I said, I think I wanted 930 to sweep like some type of level lower to send us higher. So this, I'm thinking this was just like manipulation, right? Now this is where I'd want to see distribution come into play. Sorry. So we sweep out the intermediate high, looking to take a short here. And really the only level I see is this intermediate low right here. So I'm just going to look to target just a 1-to-1. Let's see if this can play. Yeah. So perfect. And now I think looking for longs would be okay. I'll stay on for a sec. Just there's no inverses are tough. We got a 3-minute though. Did it close? No. So we get a close on that 3. I'll tape read this. I'm not gonna take it, put any risk on, but we target that high. Yeah, pretty trade right there. So that's kind of originally what I was looking for. Again, I already took my win for the morning. I'm not gonna take another one. But yeah, that was we kind of watched our plan play out live, which is nice. So I had the right bias for that day, aligned it with everything else. That was good. Right, next day, got a pretty good high right here, sitting right above this one inside of the gap. Equal lows, right? Hey, we got equal lows down here. That looks decent. We'll see how we open up at 9:30. Let's see. Inside of this 1 hour gap now, we took out this. We'll kind of use this 1 hour as our condition for the morning. I think is a pretty safe play. Oops. Yeah. This is a short I like a lot. And we also have a data low. I didn't even see that. I'll try to take this to data lows. These are probably some of my favorite setups if they play out. They're so nice. And it looks like we have some good low resistance liquidity to our left. We'll try this. Hopefully we don't want to resweep. Ugh. This PA, man. We didn't even react off anything. We didn't even hit anything. Maybe we'll resweep. I don't want to give this idea up just yet. We got a 2-minute. No 2-minute. We got a 1-minute. Yeah. All right. So this would be the re-entry. A lot of times when we end up, we lost that first trade. It's a great learning loss though. It's almost like, I'm almost happy if that happens because then if we get our re-entry with the same idea trade, right? We built a little more structure. We got that resweep. That's okay. Now hopefully I don't get stopped again. Break even will probably just have to be this final low. Oh my god, we edged it. Or did we? Yep, we edged. So now here would be a good place to go break even. I'm not gonna take any profits. I'm gonna try to let it run. Yeah, beautiful. Extremely clean trade right there. I was going to maybe trim some profits. I'm trading with micros on here at this low, but when you have a draw on liquidity just this strong, right? I mean, you don't really want to. You want to maximize your profits as much as you can. Take advantage of setups like this, right? So yeah, just like that, done for the day. Like 20 minutes into market open. Next day, seeing some more volatility kick in. That's good. Got this daily gap down here. We're also inside of the daily gap. I'm gonna play market open, see if we can come up. Probably leaning a little bit more bearish as of right now until we hit that daily gap. We're still some ways away, so we got some room to make up. But let's see, maybe we just rip down. Probably be a continuation. All right, let's zoom out here real quick. Just want to make sure ES didn't take it. ES is in its own world, bro. No, I don't think we got an S&T, so we'll see though. This 5-minute gap, it did not close just yet. I'm just gonna play this quick. Okay. I just want to make sure it didn't close. TradeZilla acts up sometimes, shows that it closes, but it doesn't. Yeah, so this 30-second gap right here would be the. Actually, honestly, there's a 15-second. Let's see something. All right, I'm gonna try the 15-second here. I think it's also a 30. It's just the 15's it's bigger. Like it kind of gives you more of an idea. Like if price can close below the bigger gap, right? We'll try this. Take it to the daily gap low. Hopefully we won't get chopped up. If we can break past this low and close below, I will go break even. Close? Yeah. Alright, we'll go break even here. Manage risk. Hopefully we can flush. Wow, dude, really? This will probably play out too, watch. Oh, that's brutal. That's alright. Again, choppy PA. This is almost PA you want to like kind of stay away from, I'm not gonna lie. Again, we had the draw right. Following my rules, go and break even when you need to. You know, it happens sometimes, but this would honestly be an okay area to reject from, unless we just dump. Honestly, this 5-minute wouldn't be that bad. Kind of like hit. Well, I mean, this is a huge 4-hour gap too. I'm gonna give this a try. We don't have the 15-minute gap that formed yet. We'll keep a close eye on it. But yeah, we'll just try to target like a little 1-to-1 here, honestly. Gonna have to go like half size. Oh my god, what did I just do? Oh shit. I don't think that. Hopefully it doesn't affect the win rate. I meant to put 5. What is going on? Alright, why is it risking that much? What is going on? There we go. Okay, I don't know what that was, but again, we'll keep an eye on the 15-minute gap. It looks like, yeah, so we just tapped it. We're going to have to go break even here. Unfortunately, it's a little quick of a break even, but maybe we get the flush. All right, so great risk management, right? Not mad about that at all. Break even day. We'll try to run up one more day real quick. Give me 1 second. All right, let's see what we got. I'll run up this day. What is this? Thursday. Oh yeah. All right. Daily time frame. We actually inverse this whole leg. So technically, you got to kind of be bearish here. Could see a little rebalance of price though. You got this 4-hour gap right here. Again, just gonna play out market open. This is some ugly PA though, I'm not gonna lie. This does not look that good. A lot of low resistance liquidity though. Which could... Do we make... Oh my god, equal highs at this 5-minute. Let's see if we can come up and take those. Yeah, no. I didn't think so. That's unfortunate. Oops. But we form this 5-minute. I don't think it's a 15 yet. Technically, everything is still in play, right? We still have this, kind of like this final low right here I'd like to target. So we come up into the 5. See if we make a 30-second or anything. Yeah, alright, so we'll try this little continuation here. It's going to be a super small trade. A little 1-to-1. Yeah, I don't know why that's doing that again. Try this real quick. Yeah, good risk. Hopefully we can just flush. Wow. Man, are we joking right now? Alright, so we edge. Wow, that is brutal, man. It doesn't even play out. Let's see, I mean, the low is still intact. I don't, unless ES took it. No. We're inside of a 15 right now. Again, as long as we don't inverse the 15-minute, we're good. We have a 4-minute to the downside. Trying to make sure it closes, yeah. Again, we'll try this as the re-entry, a little bit more of a discounted entry, which is nice. We'll stop at the high again, just target that low down there. Same thing. Risking a little bit more. See what happens. Nice. All right. So I guess we just wanted to rebalance the range, you know, a little bit more. We did come up to, we tapped EQ of the range, kind of like that golden pocket area. And yeah, smack that trade up on the day, right? That's all that matters. And yeah, let's check out the win rate. Yeah, so win rate went down a little bit there. Again, you're not going to always have a perfect win rate. As long as you are, again, you can see here, 67% win rate. We are up this much P&L on, you know, regular risking, right? I'm risking around 500 to 600 per trade. And that just kind of shows what you can achieve when you follow your rules, right? I've took 75 trades. So, and it was about almost 4 months of trading, I think, or something like that. Following the rules, having a pretty decent win rate. Again, we started, this was at 73%. So hopefully we can try to get that back up. But yeah, that's going to be it for the video. Hope you guys learned some stuff. Any questions or anything, just comment down below. I'll leave my Discord, my little mentorship I do down below as well. Feel free to join. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next vid. Peace.